What's going on, team? So quick little profit update. As you guys can see right now, I took a position on ticker symbol DGAS. Altogether on the day, I'm actually down $237.59. So one thing that I wanted to cover today, I got a question from a member within TechButt Solutions asking, they have $5,000 to start trading with or start investing in general. Would I recommend for them to start trading, or would I recommend for them to start investing in cars? My response was, you need to learn how to trade, or you need to learn how to invest in cars before just throwing your money at something. Does that make sense? So I know it's a very common question. Like, you have access to money, and now should you utilize that money to trade in the stock market or invest in any market that you see value in? And the question is, like, yes, in a sense, like, when you are ready. So when it comes down to trading, obviously paper trading, and until you feel comfortable from being able to make the fluid transition from fake money to real money, that's when it would make sense to me. When it comes down to investing in cars, maybe jumping on a call with, our Flipping Wheels group, right? So they can guide you along the process, or just explain to you to see if this is even a market that you want to be a part of. If you want to, start investing in Shopify, right? Or drop shipping, whatever the case may be. The biggest factor is, always understanding what it is that you're doing, because it's great that you work so hard for your money. Now you need to make sure that it works hard for you. And the only way that that's going to happen is if you take initiative and make sure that you only invest in markets that you understand. Plain and simple. So when it comes down to asking the question, should you invest your money in whatever market it is that you want to pursue? When you are ready. That would be my answer. And again, that's a very open-ended question, because it takes time for you to even get to that point to understand what it is that you're doing with that money. People are so quick to jump the gun and just throw their money at anything that they hope actually grows in value. That's not how it works. Again, these markets are already difficult, where the average person does not see success in. So what is it that you're going to do this 2019 that's going to set you apart to be that 10% that actually makes money in trading in the stock market, right? I felt like I did an absolute amazing job this week. Friday, it was pretty slow for me. I felt like I was taking positions based off of just being extremely impatient. But every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I cleared over $1,000 profit. So when it came down to my weekly goal, being up over $4,000 in just 4 days of trading and taking one red day, I'll do that week after week. So ultimately, again, it takes time to get to a point to be able to grow your account, and just please understand that. Don't try to expedite the process. Enjoy the journey to get to a point to be able to do this all by yourself. So appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wanted to keep it short and simple. I hope I earned your thumbs up. Like always, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. If you guys would like to work with me on a closer basis and actually watch me trade live every single day, the only thing that I offer is the Learn Plan Profit group, and that's that first link in the description if you guys have 4 minutes to check it out. Appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.